What's up, guys? We have our nightly crypto news here. I'm just gonna dive right in tonight. Not too much to go over, but we do have some top ones that I feel were important. So the main one here, Bitcoin right now is consolidating, as you see on the screen. This is dealing with the China crackdown. Right now, I highly doubt it's gonna last long. Bitcoin in and of itself, crypto in general, is such a strong component and contender of the dollar that digital currency is definitely going to be the way of things in a matter of a few years. So as you can see here, it is trading sideways. It's pretty much just staying in the zone that we drew here, just slightly above it. So if I was to draw a new box, it would pretty much be staying in that rectangular area. And I'll actually draw it up just a little bit. So this zone is a little bit bigger than this one down here, but as you can see, it is still trading along this support and resistance area. Ethereum London hard fork, they are expecting it to launch August 4th. That is not far away. We're a little under a month now. This protocol update actually includes 5 Ethereum improvement proposals, otherwise known as EIPs. The most notable ones are EIP 1559 and EIP 3554. Those are the top 2 that you should pay attention to out of the 5. What this does is it's releasing Ethereum 2.0. So this is going to replace Ethereum's current proof of work protocol with proof of stake. So this has been implemented into various test nets with successful activation, and that's how they were able to decide the official release date. The EIP 1559, what it does is it introduces a new fee structure to make Ethereum less inflationary. This protocol change is highly controversial because it aims to burn part of the fees, hence decreasing miner revenue. EIP 3554 delays Ethereum difficulty bomb to December 1st. This mechanism will incrementally increase the difficulty of mining on the Ethereum network, effectively, quote unquote, freezing proof of work in preparation for Ethereum's move to proof of stake. So, as I said, those are the 2 to keep an eye on, and obviously just reading those there, that's why they are important. Less inflation, definitely want that, and difficulty to bomb. That's what we're going for. Those are the top 2 that are going to potentially make Ethereum a better overall runner or contestant than Bitcoin itself. Not anytime soon, but definitely down the line. Bitcoin miner profitability could double after record drop in network difficulty. According to analysts, a few of the Bitcoin miners have been having a difficulty in adjustment with mining the other day on July 3rd. The North American hash spread, which is an index invented by Digital Asset Financial Services, BitOda, to measure the difference between Bitcoin mining revenue per megawatt hour and the cost of the needed power, almost doubled to $449 from $225. So the economics themselves for mining has improved significantly. But in regards to this, China's recent crackdown, as we mentioned earlier, on the crypto industry, this has forced many miners to shut down operations. This is cutting the total hash power by more than half from record levels earlier this year. The 7-day average hash rate fell to 84.3 exahashes per second on Friday before the difficulty reset, the lowest since September 2019. But it has jumped back to about 90.7 exahashes per second according to Glassnode. So it definitely bounced up a little bit, but not much. There are no exactly new updates on the ransomware attacks. It's saying, will Bitcoin or Russia be blamed for the attack? Nothing has been decided as of yet. That's basically something we just need to keep an eye on. Other news is Bitcoin ETFs. Apparently, some Bitcoin ETF applicants are accusing the SEC of foul play. This does have a neutral sentiment. Overall, they're saying that there are strong suspicions of the US regulators having ulterior motives in refusing to approve approve a Bitcoin ETF. Last month, the SEC delayed yet another Bitcoin ETF application, this time from CBOE Global Markets Incorporated. They said they would seek more public consultation on the matter before making a decision. That is a total of 13 Bitcoin ETFs currently pending approval, according to Market Insider. Some fund managers say the situation points to a double standard. More worrying, the backlog also suggests anti-crypto sentiment. That's definitely a possibility. The United States government and other governments around the world are highly against having a cryptocurrency as the main form of currency as of yet. Currently, a Bitcoin ETF would actually follow the price of the digital currency, enabling investors to buy into the ETF without trading Bitcoin itself. Kathy Woods, she is a huge proponent of ETFs. She is actually all for a crypto ETF. The SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce recently commented that her agency's approach to the matter is outdated, even bordering on a doubled standard. She said a Bitcoin ETF should have been approved a long time ago. Regarding the matter, SEC Chair Gary Gensler has previously expressed concern over fraud, validity, and manipulation in the underlying Bitcoin market. He recently told CNBC that crypto spot markets do not have the same investor protection as the stock or derivative markets. So definitely some heavy anti-crypto sentiment overall. News regarding ETH. Let's see. News regarding Ethereum MAC. This one is saying price lies in the range of $75,000 to $175,000, according to some ETH analysts. The peak value could be reached in the next 15 to 20 years. A lot of that is dealing with the London hard fork and various other factors, mineability, sustainability, and overall usage. Of course, this may be affected by unpredictable events in the future. Oh yes, and last one here. This one is actually in regards to the China crackdown. China Central Bank shuts down Beijing company over suspected crypto trading. The website of Beijing Huadou Cultural Development Company was also deactivated in the wake of the order. It was issued an order on Tuesday, which of course they are a software maker, to suspend its operations over suspicions of being involved in crypto-related trading. The company's website had been shut down, allegedly as part of the People's Bank of China office's order. The Bureau also pointed out that companies based in the city should not be venues for conducting any cryptocurrency related business whatsoever. There were no further details about the order, but the crypto community in social media took the news as another step in China's renewed crackdown on virtual currency activities. In the latest news, as of 20 minutes ago, NFT sales topped $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021. Bitcoin and Ether are gaining while Dogecoin is dipping. So it does appear we do have a nice little uptrend going on right now. Hopefully we don't hit that resistance and immediately bounce back down. We definitely want to look for a break up at least to this resistance zone around 35,000. So the main thing to look for on Bitcoin is going to be if it breaks that resistance at around 34,500. We definitely want it to break above that and then break above that 35,000 resistance as well. If it manages to do that, then we are looking great for back up to 35,600 in that area before we hit another potential resistance. That's all for tonight, everyone. If you have questions, send it my way. I am Cash Money Ross in the Vision Algo Discord. So y'all have a great night. We'll see you next time.